Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Check it out here at the Expo, Overland Expo 2024. I want to show you the ICECO VL60 fridge I have inside my van. Actually, I've been using this since January. I first put it in out in Quartzsite, and there it is. Huge capacity, 60 quart, 60 liter, whatever they call it. But this thing has just been a powerhouse. Very quiet. You can't even hear it run. And it holds a lot of food. I can really stock this thing up full of drinks, food. You can see I have it packed. Water, salads, milk, iced tea. All my veggies are in there, so I can eat well on the road thanks to this ICECO VL60. Look at that. Lid opens both directions. We have a booth out here. We're going to go check it out here at the expo. So what do you say we'll head on out like right now? Expo is just getting opened up. It's super early. There's the ICECO setup.
Yeah.
Hi.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. You guys doing batteries now?
Yes, that's a 1,000 watts battery. For that battery, you can support the APL 55 for 5-6 days, no problem.
Well, you heard her. 1,000-watt battery will support a fridge for 5 days, 4 or 5. I mean, these are perfect for overlanding, RVs. But they got all different kinds of shapes, models. You can set them up for freezer and fridge. Look at that, they even got a trucker one. Goes in the cabinet. That's what I want to do in the van someday, is add a setup like that. Here's a little smaller one. See, you could add it to a cabinet and save a lot of room in the van. And they're a big time sponsor here. They're doing their meetings, a lot of meetings here at the expo. All different kind of overland groups, activities. This is a big time event. Looks like they got a 20% off deal going there. Anyway, check out ICECO. Links will be down in the description. I know I like mine. There it is. But it's empty. Alright, but you can see there's row after row. Isn't this like a Quartzsite type event? With all the vendors. The guy's having his breakfast up there. Rooftop tents, all kinds of pole trailers. Totally outfitted out. I'm sure they got their ICECO fridges and batteries and everything in them. Look at that. Opus trailers. It inflates in 2 minutes. Okay. Alright, I just want to show ICECO's booth. More videos coming up on the event, the expo this week. Plus a trip through Jerome, Clarksdale, Cottonwood, and it all. Alright, talk soon.